Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and exquisite collection of highly trendy hand embroidery designs. All of these hand embroidery patterns are simple, easy, creative, and all of these are one pattern, that is circular design ideas, and circular pattern embroidery is being shown to you into different stylized patterns. So these are three in one dimensionally used. That is, one you can use for making them onto your dresses as an embroidery motif, and by using the half circular floral pattern, you can use it onto your neckline as an boat neck neckline embroidery, and even you can use half these circular patterns of embroidery onto the sides left and right of the front side of your shirt as a pocket embroidery style. So different stylized patterns could be used for dress designing for these very beautiful floral embroidery motifs. And now we will talk about the home decor DIY items. Then the answer to this question is again very simple and easy. You can use them for making cushion covers. You can use them for making pillow embroidery, for bedsheet embroidery. Even you can also use them for quilt cover embroidery patterns, for tablecloth embroidery, and different type of stylized patterns that are specifically used for home decor items. And guys, the basic purpose and intent of making this video and sharing creativity and design ideas with you is to share ideas, beautiful creativity, patterns, and some unique patterns. We never intend, on the basic purpose of making these ideas is never to reclaim someone else's work. The basic and the main motive making these sharing these designs is to share creativity with the persons, with the community, with our YouTube friends and family members who are lovers of handwork, hand art, and hand embroidery. Mm, so I hope that you are liking the design ideas of today and the patterns of today. And if you really like them, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family who also love the art of hand embroidery, so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. What we need from you is to support us, and your endless support by watching our videos, by liking our videos, by subscribing to our channels will help us to grow. And stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel. Until then, explore my channel, onto which I have shared millions of designs of hand embroidery that are specifically for handwork, hand art, needlework, hand embroidery. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel.